Hi, David. How are you doing today?
Hey, Olivia. I'm good, thanks. Just finished some work and now I'm planning for tomorrow.
Oh, really? What's happening tomorrow?
I'll visit my grandma tomorrow. She lives nearby, so it won't take long to get there.
That sounds lovely. How far is her place from your home?
It's about 20 minutes away by bus, or maybe 10 minutes if I take my bike.
Oh, that's really close. You're lucky. Do you visit her often?
Yeah, I try to visit her every weekend, or at least twice a month. She loves when I come by.
I can imagine. Grandmas always love spending time with their grandchildren. What do you usually do when you visit her?
Well, first, she always gives me something to eat. She makes the best homemade food, especially her apple pie.
Oh, that sounds delicious. So, tomorrow, will you go in the morning or the afternoon?
I think I'll go in the morning. I want to help her with some small chores before lunch.
That's so kind of you. What kind of chores do you help her with?
Sometimes I water her plants, clean the garden, or fix little things around the house. Last time I helped her repair a chair.
That's really nice, David. I'm sure she appreciates that.
Yeah, she always says, "You're my little handyman."
Uh, that's so sweet. What else do you two do together?
After lunch, we usually sit in the living room and talk. She tells me old family stories. Sometimes she shows me old photos.
Oh, I love that. Listening to grandparents' stories feels special. They've seen so much in their lives.
Exactly. She tells me how life was different when she was young. No smartphones, no online shopping, just real letters and visits.
That's interesting. Does she live alone?
Yes, she does. My grandpa passed away a few years ago, but she's very active. She loves gardening and talking to her neighbors.
It's good she stays busy. Does she have many plants in her garden?
Oh yes, she has flowers and vegetables and even a small lemon tree. She always gives me fresh tomatoes to take home.
Wow! Fresh tomatoes from the garden taste amazing. You must enjoy those.
I do. Sometimes I even help her pick them. She says it reminds her of when I was little and played in her garden.
That's such a beautiful memory. It sounds like you two share a strong bond.
We really do. She always supported me when I was younger. I used to spend my summer holidays at her place.
Oh, that must have been fun. What did you usually do there?
I used to help her cook, feed her cat, and watch TV together. In the evenings, we'd sit outside and look at the stars.
That sounds peaceful. Do you still do that sometimes when you visit now?
Sometimes, yes. She still likes to sit outside after dinner. We drink tea and talk about random things like my work, the weather, or her favorite TV shows.
That's so nice. Spending time with family like that is so comforting.
True. I feel calm when I'm with her. She always gives me advice and tells me not to stress too much about life.
Grandmas always know what to say to make us feel better.
Yeah, they really do. Even if I have a bad week, just spending an hour with her makes me feel happy again.
That's lovely. Are you taking her any gifts tomorrow?
Yes, actually. I bought her favorite cookies from the bakery near my office. She loves them with their tea.
That's thoughtful. I'm sure she'll be very happy when she sees you and gets those cookies.
I hope so. I might also bring some fruits for her, maybe apples or oranges.
Good idea. Elderly people always appreciate fresh fruits.
Exactly. And she always insists on giving me something back, usually homemade jam or snacks.
That's how grandmas show love, by feeding us.
Yes, absolutely. Even if I say I'm full, she keeps saying just one more bite.
That's so true. My grandma used to do the same. I miss those times.
You should visit her if you can. Grandmas love surprise visits.
I will actually. You've inspired me. Maybe this weekend, I'll call her and make a plan.
That's great. It's always nice to reconnect.
Definitely. So, David, what time will you leave tomorrow?
Around 9 in the morning. I'll have breakfast first, then take the bus.
Sounds like a good plan. Will you spend the whole day there?
Probably half the day. I'll have lunch with her and come back in the afternoon.
That's perfect. She'll enjoy your company and you'll still have the evening to relax.
Exactly. Maybe I'll watch a movie after I come back.
That sounds like a nice Saturday. Family, good food, and a little rest.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm really looking forward to it.
I really like how you make time for your grandma, even with your busy schedule. That's something many people forget to do.
Thanks, Olivia. I think it's important. Family means a lot to me.
And it should. Those moments become memories later.
You're right. I'll probably take some pictures with her tomorrow too. She loves posing with her flowers.
Oh, that's adorable. You can frame one of those pictures for her.
Great idea. I'll do that.
Well, David, it sounds like you have a beautiful day ahead tomorrow. I hope you enjoy every moment with your grandma.
Thanks, Olivia. I definitely will. And you too. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks. Take care and give your grandma my warm regards.
I will. See you soon, Olivia.
Bye, David. Have a wonderful visit.